Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable camera shutter sound on Vivo phones. So disabling the camera shutter sound on Vivo phones can vary depending on your phone model and region, as some countries mandate that the shutter sound remain active for privacy reasons. And here's a guide to help you disable the camera shutter sound on your Vivo phone. The first one, or the easiest one that you can do, is to mute the camera shutter sound by reducing the phone's volume. So you can just press on the volume down button on the side of your phone and until it reaches silence or vibrations mode. And then you can just open the camera and take a photo, and the shutter sound now will be muted or low or in a low volume. And the second one, you can also use the do not disturb mode, because turning on the DND can also mute system sounds, including the camera shutter. So you can just swipe down from the top of your screen to access the control center, and then tap on this do not disturb icon. Open the camera and take a photo. And the next steps that you can do, you can also check the camera settings, because some Vivo phones have an options to disable the status sound in camera settings. So open the camera application and then tap the settings icons, usually in a gear icon within the camera interface on the top right corner. And then you can just tap the more settings, in this case on my phone, and find the shutter sound options, this one's right here. Just toggle it off and the shutter sound will be disabled. And the next one, you can also use third-party camera apps. So if your Vivo phone doesn't allow disabling the shutter sound natively, you can try a third-party camera apps. So you can download a third-party camera app on the Play Store here, such as Open Camera. You can just open the app and go to its settings, look for an options to disable the shutter sound. So in certain countries, such as Japan and South Korea, disabling the camera shutter sound may be restricted due to privacy laws. So if you're in such region, you can consider the volume or DND method as a workaround. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.